Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to Tindola's channel, and in this video we are going to fix Samsung Galaxy A32, A52 or A72 network or data not working issue. So before starting this video, if you are new in this channel, just don't forget to subscribe and let's start our video without wasting any time. So to fix A32, A52 or A72 network or data not working or not showing issue, first of all you just need to go to settings and then follow every step as I'm showing you in this video. Hope so this will fix your issue.